So, at first I created this new Minecraft world to check out the latest features. Maar sin an dosach, chruaich mi an dúil Minecraft úr seo, loscan eich mi na fiastans úr. But I found myself instead working on a new type of building. Achanad sin, san ed sourced úr yet hoggle hami gobber. So, it is my intention today to show you what I'm building. Marcin, hami dol hjolden guyenju, na hami toggle. This is what I'm working on. Shoagi na hami sladig ed. I often sit in bed and play for a little while whilst my son is sleeping. The strich vis mi mahai am lebi agus cleichcad begin at the ham of vach na hadal. There was a primitive forest around this area, but I destroyed it. Vakul friuajach chimachaled and skid show ach skries miulla. The building I'm creating is a town in a building. She bal and doggle, Hansen doggle show hami kruach. It is based upon the houses that I saw in China. Asuicht edna tayen honmi and China. Those houses had animals living on the bottom floor, people on the second floor, and then things such as clothing, etc., on the top floor. Vabichen furach edna bun ular nan dainchen, dun eden dan ular, agus and jen, nien mar udach agus gor, ed vullach. I want to make more of the area level, plus I need dirt. Hamishid tul yen daat sho forward yenu, agus femi tul ur. I was very surprised when I loaded my save game and the iron that I was smelting had disappeared. Va jants morum dar a luch gich mi, mo jem savelt. Agus in gien va mi la, ved, ro, ed shol. One song in this game reminds me of Balinese music. Ha an oran an sa jem, tad gekuen, kjol, Bali. I want to make the town look more orderly. Hamiro holach ed val hod anordu. I hesitate to ruin these people's houses though. Hamiro vi hogarach na taien eg na slua sho vilch geda. I am fully aware that it is a game, but I don't want to cause them suffering anyway. Is fisrach mi nachel anach game, ach hanel miro holach ed fulach haroru kihu. Here you have the first level, which has various vegetables and will also feature animals. Shoagi and kid eed, it will imad lus agus bi biechenan. I'm yet to find any carrots, and I haven't bought any animals in from the wild. Chanil mied kuren glehast, agus chanil mied biechen sabi had stay von iaich. But because I am inquisitive, I will set out to find the rest of the vegetables at some point. Ach, von hami forschach, heej mi mach, losken omi en gor, yen a lussen, antanamdi jech. I'm slowly filling in all of the gaps. Hami lien and dol ul beg ed veg. Sometimes I find the atmosphere in this game quite moving. Uren, hanal and siem sho guma drujach. I have fond memories of building a house in a snowy area and experiencing my first snow in Minecraft. Hakunechen vlagem et tai hoggle an skeed hechgach agus fechkin mochid snech an Minecraft. Actually, it's not unlike my first experience with snow in Scotland, as Australia doesn't really get snow. Gajaru? Ha koltach rich hid jols agam ed snech an Alban. Son, chanil moor an snech an Australia leshnirish. Here you have the houses that are not yet finished. Shoagi na tain nach hel jeshil hast. I want to make them look nice. Betolum colts grin hororu. And here you have the next floor, but I haven't decided what I'm going to make. Agashoagi an ad ulad, ach chanil mi ed smunach mu yen hast, je hami dol yenu. It almost reminds me of a ziggurat. Chavur nachela tad kakuen ziggurat. Almost every spot is covered in snow. Hanyash hul spot, kordicht lesnech. We are approaching twilight, or the gloaming. Hashin chandi kiad neskad. Though there is a chance that monsters will appear, I'm going to continue gathering dirt for a little while longer. Get ha chance, kun chig uleveshten mach. Hamidol henel ud kad greshnas adj. But I am not courageous enough to work too long. Ach chanel mi mishnachel nalor di obero ad. I still feel like this game is unlike any other. Hamismunach haastich, gevel een game show, nyo een, dayem el. Oh, woe is me. I haven't the least bit of iron now. Ochan heen, chanel iarn agamnish. The villagers like to steal my bed. Stolesh slua val, mo lebi goch. To be honest, though, I stole it first, so I deserve that as a punishment, it seems. Leshenirish geda, goj mishen tojacha, agis machine, hakoltach gvel mi toldenshen mar fence. I didn't fancy making a stronghold sort of place with tall walls this time. Charomi tolach ed ined ma dengen, le ballichen aard huggle, and dancho. Instead, I wanted to make something a little unique and different. San aardshen, va mi tolach ed ludgen begen sondicht agus mu jenu. I also, at some point, want to explore the new forest biome and dungeons. Hamitolach kujach ed biome hol ud agus na shemrichen for halu ransach ek ed horgen. Lucky one cannot get sunburnt in Minecraft. Sun geforstenach nach undogin los green an Minecraft. My skin is exceedingly pale, so I often find myself in situations where I need to cover myself in sunscreen. Am grachgen an brach baan agus machine strich vis mi an suiachen farm ve mi heen kodach le gin grain. As my son is half Japanese, his skin is much darker than mine, and I'm quite envious. Von she le hapana han mavach, ha hachgen, fad na storch na machgens, agus hamigma farmadach. I'm collecting more dirt to use for the farm part of my building. Hamigenel tul es an ushiged, pash ferem mahogel. I must not stand here too long. Chanimed mi shesu and joro ad. As I have many tasks to complete still. Sonham bals oberagam di yenu hast. So these videos are not just for other people who might be interested in Gaelic, but they are also a way for me to remember words. Machin, hanan jirach dogun el, gudach vi gol tlach na Gaelic, han a video and show. Ach, had kujach nan doigo fachlen hunach. I try to include words that I find in Perthshire Gaelic materials. Hami fechen di fachlen, hami glea, an skrioyen Gaelic sharak fiasco stay. I recently found that excited is translated as fluent in the book about Queen Victoria's trips around Scotland. Hjangach hoed mi mach gevel excited. Ed hyangach maar fluent ans an Lord mu hurasan na banli Victoria ed few na halaban, rather than ed vidan, which shows up a lot in Standard. Luaim is a version of luain, which means restlessness. Nach ed vidan ha gutrichans vun poas ha kudkin gra luaim. She sourced el in achgal luain han luaim ha kielach mi osh na restlessness. Another word that shows up in the book is forashach, which means inquisitive, apparently. She forashach han fachgal el hans loershen ha kielach fisrachel na fisrach na inquisitive re koltash. To say something like interesting, one may say tlach or tadden rather than inchinjach. Los gnabbed rudgen mad inchinjach, gurach fed rudgen mad tlach na tadden ra anach inchinjach. It may be that some of these words and phrases are simply old, but it's also possible that some of them are dialect. Gurach vi kudgen a fachlen abas abasjan show jirach shan ach ha kudjach komsach gevel kudju nan dulhench. It is one of the challenges of learning a language primarily from written material. She anjena dulen han vi gansach kench voskriujen gemor. Anyway, I guess I'd better finish the video here. Kishu, hamismunach gumbahodon chriach chod ed video anjo. Thank you very much for watching, and a blessing with you all. Tapale gemor es son ked agus bianach le ul.